Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your privacy setting on Twitter. Pretty simple. Now this is not going to work on the mobile app version of Twitter. You need to go to the browser. So on your browser you want to go to twitter.com and log in into your accounts. Once you log in into your accounts, you want to click on more at the bottom left and click on settings and privacy. Once you click on it, this box will appear. You want to click on settings and privacy again. Now from over here, you want to go on the privacy and safety section. And from here you want to choose content you see. And from inside where it says display media that contains sensitive content, make sure it's check marked. If it is unchecked, then you won't be able to see it. But if you check mark it, then basically you will be able to see any content that is being uploaded on Twitter. So that is basically what you need to do if you want to change your settings of privacy on Twitter. Come over here, uncheck this, you won't be able to see harmful content. Check mark this, you will be able to see harmful content. That is how you guys can change your privacy setting on Twitter. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.